Welcome back, food lovers! I'm Adnana and today's recipe is about this super easy and delicious vegetable broth that can be stored for months. First thing first, peel off the veggies. Start with a carrot, a slice of celery, 1 parsnip, 1 parsley root, 2 small potatoes and 1 onion. Cut all veggies and add them into the pot. Add 1 bay leaf, some pepper seeds, 1.5 liters, which means 6 cups of water, and last thing, season with 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover and let it boil for approximately 40 minutes or until all veggies are boiled. You can use 1 fork to try their texture. It should be soft. Let the vegetable broth cool completely at room temperature and covered before using it. In terms of storing, I have 3 methods. In case you want to use it in the next days, you can place it in a bottle and keep it in the fridge. In case you want to use it in the next months, you can store it in plastic ice cube bags or in 1 or more different bags. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed my video. Until next time, take care.